Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects. So I went ahead and I got me one of these Hover-1 electric scooters that everybody's been talking about. It was $149 at Walmart. Great deal. It goes up to 16 miles an hour. The nice thing about it that it has a 9-mile run on battery, and it's great. You don't have to charge it as much. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how that looks like right now. Alright, so this is it, the Hover-1 electric scooter. You can see here, it has a digital screen. You can go ahead here and change the mode. So you see how with the battery, it'll tell you how fast you're going. Here you can go ahead and change the speed of it. So if you want to go about 3 miles an hour or 7 or up to 16 miles an hour, you can go ahead and change that mode based on who's riding it. So I have mine at 3, which allows me to go up to 16 miles an hour. This is your throttle here, so it lets you go forward, and then this is your brake here as well. It's very easy to build. The handles actually just screw on when you first get out of the package. Another thing that you're going to see here, that has like a back brake, so you can brake here if you like as well. And if you go ahead here, you can actually twist this part here, unlock it, and that'll allow it to go ahead and fold, as you see. So it's easy to go ahead and carry it. It also has one of these little peg legs in order for it to keep it upright. The tires are pretty smooth. The nice thing about the tires are rubberized with air. So it'll go ahead and it'll hold up to 264 pounds. This will lock here in this mechanism. It locks, and if you want to go ahead and unlock it, all you got to do is push down. It opens back up. It opens back up. I'm going to go ahead and put that lever in there, and you're going to twist. You're going to twist this guy here that allows it to lock so it doesn't come out when you're riding it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like when you ride it. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to kick start it and then press the throttle. So here we go. Well, this is definitely a dream. Go ahead and get yourself one for $149. You can't beat the price. Well, thanks for watching the Vera Projects. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.